Hello guys.
Hi.
Back again. Hey, we are here with our friends Jay and Maria, and we are at the ABC Hotel. We're going to show you a room here, their room. What a nice, this is a standard room. What a nice room for a standard room. Take a look, guys.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Give you a little look here in the hallway here. They're on like the first floor, so not much. Didn't even have to get on the elevator to get up here. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful spot here in ABC. And there they are.
Hey!
Jay and Maria's suite. Now this is a standard suite.
Yes, it's standard.
Yeah, look at this. Don't look standard to me. Check out this king size bed. That looks comfortable.
Very nice.
Check out this lamp. It's just, it matches the bed. Everything matches. Velvet lamps even, guys. Beautiful place.
Very nice.
And look at this. What's this bottle on the table?
Screwball.
They brought us a bottle of Screwball to try out. Now, I can't say that I've ever had Screwball. Peanut butter.
Open tonight, brother.
Peanut butter whiskey. Nice.
Sounds good.
Are you ready for the Screwball, baby?
Yes, I am.
All right. All right, so we're going to have a little bit of time together here on the rooftop bar. What's that, the Aqua, right? It's been a while. I don't think we did a video at the Aqua before.
No, because it was pandemic.
Yeah, during the pandemic, we did go up there and have a couple drinks, and it was really, I guess you could say, a watered down version of what it should be, because you know how it was during so many regulations and strictness going on during that. So now we're going to experience it full on up on the rooftop. What kind of view you got here? Is this a street view?
Yes.
Check it out. There we go. No balcony, but nice view whatsoever. Anyway, very cool little setup here. Very nice.
I like that ceiling.
Oh yeah, yeah. They got the tray ceiling kind of built in all the way around here. Very comfortable little spot. Now, what is everybody's going to ask me, how much is this place a night?
What is that?
A little bit over 300 for two
For
nights.
2 nights.
300 for 2 nights
Yeah, that was
for the standard room
We had it with a special though. We got it on a special.
on Agoda.
Yes, a Goda.
Hey, I'm telling you guys, I've said it before. Use Agoda. You can find some deals. We found some deals there, and you know you got to do your research. But that's a good deal for the ABC. And this is a nice room for a standard room, you have to admit. So if you're going to come here and do it in style, you come out here to the ABC. All right, so they also have like a wardrobe here that looks like a little place to hang your clothes, but it's really your safe. You got robes, ironing board and iron. I don't know what this is. Oh, a flashlight. All right, so you got a little place all lit up in here for your ironing board and all. Oh, your slippers. You better have slippers.
Oh, yeah.
You're in the ABC. You better get slippers.
Yeah.
Take those for souvenirs, right? And here's the bathroom, guys. Check it out. Nice bathroom. They even give you a scale. I'm afraid to get on there and see how much I weigh.
That's how I had to convert my kilo to pounds. See how much
Oh, you had to convert
Since
it?
I've been over.
Because this tells you in kilos what you weigh.
That's why I had to convert it.
Very nice. Nice little walk-in shower here. Very cool. Very well done. Nice double sink. Got all your toothbrushes and complimentary shampoos and stuff there. And check it out. They even give you a tub. A regular size tub at that you can fit in. And another sprayer in here on the tub. Very cool. Very nice little spot for the standard room here at the ABC Hotel, guys. These guys are doing it right. They're coming to AC, staying in one of the nicest places in town.
$334 a night.
$334 for 2 nights. That's a good deal. If you want to book on Agoda, you might get the same kind of deal. All right, check it out, guys.
Hi.
How you doing? Just checking out your pool here.
No problem.
Look at this. Beautiful in here. This pool area. All lit up at night. It's very nice. Gotta love it. What's this? Your mate tonight?
Yes.
Check him out. Cool. Very cool. Nice little bar area down here. Little grill off to the left.
That's where I was when you ladies were at the spa today.
Is this the
right
bar you hung out at? There you
The
go.
ladies were at the spa.
Down here with all the
all day long.
all day long, huh? The all day long spa treatment. Mercy and Maria went out there and did spa treatments all day while the guys just hung out together and had some drinks. You have a fun spa day, ladies?
Yes, look at my friend. She's gorgeous.
All right, so we're going to crack into this. I was going to say Fireball, but it's Screwball. Peanut butter whiskey. Sounds delicious.
Oh, smells so good.
Yeah, you like peanut butter? I mean, you're always eating peanut butter. Now you get to drink it.
Perfect.
Hopefully y'all like it. That's why
Smells
we saved the
so
second bottle.
Ooh, don't spill it. Don't spill that
We saved
Screwball.
The second bottle to bring back from Province. That's the way us four could try it if we could get together.
So how did they like it in the province?
Mommy?
I don't know, because you're the one. I just saw one person.
Well, I was trying to give the Jose Cuervo and the Bacardi. That went well with the men, because
Yeah.
none of the men have ever had it before. But
Okay.
I was pushing this on the ladies.
All right. Well, here we go.
So-
Shot of Screwball. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Let's try it out.
Delicious.
With a hesitation and delicious.
No, because I was. He's very smooth.
It takes you back. All right, let me. I didn't do the cheers swish because I wanted to get Mercy's
The one
reaction.
thing it doesn't make you don't get sloppy drunk off this.
Well, it's
No,
not a
it's
high
very
alcohol
good.
content.
No, no.
All right, let's see what the Screwball's about here.
It's minty. It's like, I don't know.
It's burning the tip of my tongue a little bit for some reason. Maybe I bit it earlier and didn't know it. It's very nice. It's got a little
Very
burn. Like, it kind of reminds me of a schnapps. A little bit of a schnapps going on. But it's very good. Very sweet. I could see drinking that for a little bit. I don't need the water chaser, do you?
No, of course not. You asked for it?
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you for the gift. That is very unique. Never tried it. We will enjoy it. We are not giving that to no one.
No one, just me.
Jay said, if you don't like it, you can give it away. I
That's
said,
what
No.
there ain't nobody going to get
I told him,
that.
I said, I won't put no pressure on you, brother. If you don't like it, you can give it away.
There ain't nobody getting that Screwball. We're going to take care of
I'm
that.
not carrying that back to the States again. I lugged it enough.
You can't carry it. I'm taking it. Thank you guys very much. Here's a little Screwball promotion here. Everybody try
Free
some Screwball.
advertisement for Screwball.
Free advertisement.
Yeah.
This is not a paid video. We are not getting any kind of kickbacks. This stuff is good. We're going from food reviews to liquor reviews. That's our new deal now. We're going to try a new liquor every week for you guys on top of the food. We won't give up the food.
Amen.
Mercy's in. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys, we're going to wrap this one up. Thank you for joining us tonight with the ABC fun time we had here.
And a great company. I'm telling you.
Yeah,
We have a great
absolutely.
time.
Yeah, we had a great time. Jay, Maria, thank you so much for spending the day with us.
Yes, sir.
We had a
Thank you
great
for your
time.
Great company.
Absolutely, guys.
Archie, thank you so much for putting up with me all day.
Yeah,
doing
for
my
12
hair.
hours.
It was my pleasure.
It was hair day for the girls.
I love it.
Eyebrows.
I enjoy,
Eyebrows,
I really
hair.
enjoy everything.
Hey, that's what you do when you come to the Philippines, man. You get this, you get pampered. You
Yes,
get
pamper
pampered,
yourself.
guys.
Yes.
And you can do this stuff back home too, but it's quite a bit more
Oh,
costly.
yes.
Oh yeah.
For
Today's-
sure.
Tomorrow's massage day for me. before I get
Massage
back
day.
on.
Today was
Nice.
massage day for me.
I have to get one before I get back on that long flight.
Go back to Rain. Good stuff. Let her walk all over you.
Yes.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all those likes,
Comments.
Love your comments, guys.
Yes.
We'll see you on the next video.
See ya.
Bye.